now at Gaisano City Mall. Ayun, Gaisano North Town Center, Gaisano City Mall, Kabantian. Chess tournament na daw dire. Chess tournament. Gaisano City Mall, Andrea. So, dirita pa ingon. Sayo pa. 10 minutes to 9, hapit na magabre. Hapit na magabre. Minga pa. Kapakita oh. Mga 10 to 15 minutes pa magabre. Tapos place City Mall. Gaisano City Mall, Kabantian. Ayan. Pahingon ako. Ayan. Gaisano City Mall, Kabantian. Chess tournament. Ayan now. Here now. Chess tournament. Gaisano City Mall, Kabantian. Hindi ka man. Ayan. Entrance chess tournament karon. Mag-start mga 10:30. Start ng tournament. It's about 8:45 pa. So wala pa nag-open. So here now. Here in the entrance. Okay. This is the entrance. Tournament here. Tournament. Ang venue. Yan ang venue. So wala pa. So here. Wala pa. So kita muna ako. So ikot-ikot lang muna sandali. Kita ko sa likod. Yan. Yan. Ang food court. Hindi yata. Saan na ba ako? Ayun siya. Ganda yung place. Yung place sa ayun, may Jollibee, Chowking. Ayun pala yung Jollibee sa kabila. Ayun siya. Inikot ko yung Gaisano City Mall. Yan siya, good place. Yan, meron siyang mga venue. Maraming mga maganda yung place niya. It's a beautiful place. Ayun. May mga pagkain. Wow, pizza. And then this is the ground. It's around. So I'm going to round the place. So ikot-ikot pa. Ganda naman siyang place niya. Okay naman siya. So yan is the back of the City Mall. Here now. Here City Mall, back at her back. Saka the ground. Ayan. Good place. And now I'm here now to get a video. Okay, take a video about the place. Tingin-tingin tayo sa mga place. So yun, mga pillows. Yan, ganda ng mga pillows at the back of the Gaisano City Mall. Yan, maganda din mga pillows. Against yun, the back. Yung mga makikita na kaagad yung mga mga tinda. Here now, here is the back of the Gaisano City Mall. Okay. Here, I'm here now. Going around to the back, the city mall. So here, very beautiful place. Beautiful place. Very beautiful. It's at the back. So I'm going to round the place. So ayan, there's a playground. Let's have a playground here. So I'm going to see. So I want to see that. So I want to see the place. So I'm going to. I'm going to put what happened is. Okay. This is what we call. This is the place at the back. Here, huh? The good place. A good place, no? So here, it's tree, mango tree. It's about the place here. Ay, waiting shed, no? Very waiting shed. Ganda naman siya. People around. There's a people around here. There's around people all over here. Okay. Then we're going here. We have area. So here, the side. Ayan. Let's have playing ground for the kids. So for the kids, and at the back the cinema here. It's a beautiful place. No? I want to see all of the part. Okay, the part around the Quezano City Mall. So here down is the back. Oops, it's beautiful at the back. I want to go round and round. So that's the mall. Wow, that's what City Mall. That's a good place. So okay, now I'm going here. I want to see the beautiful places. Wow. This is the back of the city mall. Wow. So I'm going to go round and round. So it's the beautiful. It's the very beautiful here. Okay. So saan ba talaga ang pinakamagandang na lugar dito sa Gaisano Grand City Mall? So ayun. 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 Maganda. So okay, I want to see all over. So because it's a park. So have a mini park. A beautiful place. Okay. Oops. Okay. Going round and round. Round and round and okay. So that's the very beautiful part of this place. Okay, I want to see where is the beautiful part. Okay, what is that part? That's not here. This part here. Okay, I want to go there. How about this? I want to see what is the okay. This the okay. Okay. I want to ask that. Okay. 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 Yes, sir. Isa na dyan place dia, sir? Isa na place dia? Ayun?
Clubhouse.
Ha?
Clubhouse.
Clubhouse. Mga playing ground, ana? Pero ano kan? Sige, salamat. Sige lang. So, yan. So, Clubhouse. Okay? This is the back of City Mall. Tapos, ayan, tatawid na tayo sa parang clubhouse daw. Yung name. Clubhouse. So, parang club ba? Clubhouse. Parang interesting. Interesting na ano, name. So, this is your wheel. So, here now. So, let me see. Uy, what is this? So beautiful. So, fun. Very fun. Again, have a fish here. You know, inside the fun. It's fun. Here, 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 around here, the waiting shed. There's a mini waiting shed here. Ayun, so all around here. Yan. Okay. So the back. Let's see. Wow. So there's parang park din. Parang park. So, parang park, no? Parang park pero ano, medyo tahimik masyado. Tahimik na mga park. Parang park siya pero tahimik lang siya na park. Yes. Ayan siya. Ayan siya. Oh, ay.